You're listening to Mentoring Developers. Computer science and computer engineering are different fields in different areas of study, although there could be some similarities. Do you prefer computer science? Looks like you prefer computer engineering over computer science.
I prefer computer engineering, application engineer, because I see that the task of a programmer is most often to create an application that solves a problem that a user has. Whereas computer science is more of understanding how languages work, which constructs and what they do in a language. For example, C# versus Java. That's more science, whereas an engineer is more about creating a system that helps a user.
Interesting. So my experience, I've done both computer science and computer engineering in college, and my experience has been that it really depends on the department, how it's laid out, and especially if computer science and mathematics, usually they're lumped together, and it's more about some theories and some ideas and some concepts. And what I've noticed is that computer engineering generally tends to be more about solutions to problems that we have and to use software, sometimes hardware, for that.